this is right next to the homestay that we are staying in. This is actually the other side of the river. So friend wants to get down, but I don't suggest. But monsoon, baby. So morning when we were sitting somewhere there. That's the homestay. And when it floods and all, there'll be water above this bridge. So started raining. Again, let's go back to the room. One photo for the gram. If you're not following me yet on Instagram, please go follow. You'll get real-time updates of all my trips. Place is beautiful, dude. It's raining, so let me quickly run back to the car. Just say bye to this place. We'll come later. So we're ready to go for a walk. It's 6:30 and we don't have much light. But yeah, it was raining till now and it stopped raining. So GoPro is not really good for low light, but yeah, it's what we have. It started to drizzle again. So we were just chilling here till now, and I don't know, it's too dark to see anything, so we're going for dinner. Hopefully it should be ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can see me, I don't know. So last night didn't go as planned. We all came back and passed out, so woke up early. Last night was, so we had a late dinner and then we all passed out, so, and it was raining the whole night, so we didn't do much. We couldn't put any fire or sit around the fire and speak, and the sound of the flowing river was constantly humming in our ears. Again, I thought I'll just show you guys around. So this is the whole place. So there are other cottages and there's a place to sit and chill with your friends. So I have no mobile network here. Vodafone is shit and they don't give me good network anywhere. So we don't have any plans. We want to visit first is that Kote Betta place for its Neela Kurunji flowers, the flowers that bloom once in 12 years. But yeah, I'm not sure how well that place would be because it's raining and it would be covered with fog. Like in the older Kurg series when we went to Mandalpatti, right? So even that place was, we couldn't see anything. So I'm not sure how well that would go. But there's another viewpoint close by which is called Makkalagudi Betta. So planning to visit that first because it doesn't need much of an off-roading or something like that. So that's the plan for now. We're just waiting for some coffee or tea or whatever we can have, and then probably we'll head out. And also currently in this place only we have checked in. There's no one else in the whole homestay here. But yeah, today we have the whole place packed, so I don't know how well I would show you things around because there'll be other people. But that's why, so if you really want to come visit some peaceful place in Coorg, highly recommend this place. And yeah, so guys, came here to this place called Makkalagudi Betta. So Ram wife is there. This is the place. So it's actually a hilltop and there is a small Kalyani here, and so there's a viewpoint if you can see. So we'll be going there and let's go check that place out. So my friends are doing photo shoot. This weather is crazy for this location, and weather drizzling though. So let's go see that place. No, I'll come on the grass. I won't slip on the grass, Gulla. I'll slip on that pakka. Grass is...
You guys are asking me to stop. How funny. Silly fellow.
So last time I fell when we went near Mandalpatti. So my friends are really concerned. Not about me falling, but I falling and taking them along down with me. So I'll be walking carefully. I hope you guys like the time lapse of this place and the drone shots. So we're just leaving to the resort again. Mad place, guys. Just come and check it out. Makkalagudi Betta. It's on Google Maps. Come, let's go.
It's still not enough.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬೀಳ್ತೀರ ಹೋಗೋದು. So they're teasing me that while coming down I was behind because I wanted to take everyone with me. Now I'm walking in the front so that I fall and roll back, and again they would fall because of that. So do come and check this place out, guys. That too in the early morning. Next level. So breakfast time. Some neer dosa, chutneys. Oh, upma also is there. It's piping hot. Let's see. dig in. This is Skur coffee. Okay, so we'll be chilling by the river for a while. So I badly want to swim too, but the water is very cold. So that was us chilling near the river. Hope you guys like the underwater shots. For the first time I put my GoPro underwater, so I was a little scared. I know it's waterproof, but Indian mentality, you can't put anything electric inside the water, so when it has a battery. So I am all ready with the essentials. I'm just waiting for my friend to get ready. Girls take more time to get ready, so me and Ram are already ready and car is also set. So we'll be going to Kotebetta. So there was a news that there is some road work or road collapsing because of the rain, so I'm not sure if we can take our own car. I'm really not sure while I'm speaking now that what's gonna happen there. So mainly here to see those flowers, and if you're not able to go, that'd be really sad, but let's go there and see what's happening and all. So